Good morning, Philippines! Look who is back!
Nitong nakaraang Huwebes, August 8 ay nakabalik na sa Pilipinas ang misis ni John Estrada na si Priscilla Meireles. Sa kanyang pagbabalik ay agad kinamusta ni Priscilla ang kanyang mga Pinoy supporters at ibinalita na rin niya ang kanyang mga plano sa hinaharap. Isa rin sa dahilan ng pagbalik ni Priscilla sa Pilipinas ay para dumalo sa kasal ng isa niyang kaibigan. Matatandaan na naging malaking issue ang usapin ng hiwalayan nila ng Mr. na si John Estrada nitong nakaraan dahil sa pambababae di umano ng kanyang Mr.
Good morning, Philippines! Look who is back! Guys, I just got back yesterday from the US. And I needed to attend a wedding of a friend, of a co-mom, right after I arrived. So I'm jet-lagging, obviously. I'm very tired, but I'm very happy to be back. When I arrived, it was raining. The weather was not good. Nevertheless, I'm excited to be back. And I'm looking forward to a lot of things, including editing yung mga traveling vlogs natin para pakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga place na pumunta ako during these almost 2 months. Actually, if I counted back, it was what, 40 plus days? 45, 48? Kasi umalis ako ng 25th June. Bumalik ako ng August 8. Oh, sino magaling sa Met dyan? Para ma-compute ko ilang araw ako out of the country. But wow, those are epic vacation. It was really a must-waited break, and I'm excited to be back, and I'm excited to fix my life. I'm excited to put in things that I've to start things that I put on hold, and I'm excited also to see people that I haven't seen so long. So yesterday during the wedding of Tet and of course her partner, I was able to see some people I haven't seen in a long while. I will be posting for pictures soon. I'm still in my IG account, medyo late ako mag-post kasi ang dami akong pictures. Ayoko na sabay-sabay. Still tungkol sa traveling ko. So early I posted the last ones from Rio. And then I will be posting some of Manaus and maybe some of Miami. And then I will post, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I just sabay-sabay yung post from last night para hindi siya, kasi diba nangyari na eh. So, weird kung masyado malate mapopost ko yan. But anyways, I'm really excited to be back. And I'm so tired. I haven't yet unpacked. So, meron ko 6 na maleta na kailangan ko mag-unpack. So, let's see. Kasi on Monday, start ng class na. So, may papasok na sa eskwela. So, si Anechka, I need to, back to my mommy, mommy mode. Mommy driver, mommy lahat. So, I need to make sure that Anechka goes back to school, that she is, well prepared and everything settled so that she can go back to school. And sana po, okay yung jet lag niya. Pero yan. Gigising ako na 5 a.m. today, but I slept around 11:30. Tapos gigising ako na 5 a.m. I try to go back to sleep, hindi kaya. Gutom ako sobra. So, yun. So, na-supermarket na ako. Kasi walang food sa bahay. So, na-breakfast na kami. So, yun. So, I'm gonna be meeting some friends later in BGC. So, there. And then, I'm excited because tomorrow, malalive ako from, EW Villa Medica. Kasi, magagawa ko ng mga treatments dyan. Kasi na-miss ko sobra. And tsaka medyo masakit yung likod ko sa mga karga na mga super heavy na malita. Kasi mag-isa ako, diba? Ako yung mag-pack, ako mag-karga. So, yun. So, I'm so happy to see you guys, to be in the same time zone as most of, my Facebook, followers. Kasi, nasa Pinas na ako. So, it's 11 a.m. na yon. And then, yeah. A lot of things gonna happen. It's coming weeks, and I really hope that 1 week or so I'm okay already from my jet lag. So definitely I'm gonna be feeling like, sleepy at the wrong time and waking up at the wrong time. But sana ma-adjust ko na mabilis para I can go back to doing my normal activities and hindi masunggit. Katulad this morning, medyo masunggit ako kasi masakit yung likod ko. So, I drank already some painkiller and then turmeric kasi turmeric is very good for, for inflammation. And kumakain ako, so busog ako. So, masaya ko ulit. So, there. But yeah, I'm just, doing a live now from my room, from my bedroom. Planning to just, how do you call that in English? Vegetalize. How do you call that? Like, naging ka vegetable. Parang gano'n sa bed. So, I just really want to, hi, bestie! Oh, kumusta? So, ito yung first, live ko dito sa Pinas. So, there. Outside of my window, medyo okay. Yung sky is not very clear, but medyo bright naman. So, sana hindi maulan mamaya. But I'm very excited to resume to my regular activities. I'm excited to go back to working out. I'm excited to, to see the people I miss, my friends. I haven't seen them in so long. I'm very excited. And I was so happy to see my babies. And then now my babies are looking like rats because nabuol-buol yung buhok nila. So, itong ginagawa ng pet groomer na pumunta sa bahay. Tingnan mo. Grabe naman kawawa my baby Snowy tsaka my baby Coco. Tingnan mo yung itsura. What happened, Wawa? What happened, baby? Somebody remove all her hair. Oh my gosh, poor Wawa. She looks like a little hat. And then si Coco Dino. So now, oh my gosh, yung hair nila that I was so proud of, that I'm so careful with, it's gone. Tingnan mo si Coco. Coco, baby, what happened to you? Why? Why, love? Why? Mommy gonna do something about it. I'm not happy with you being naked, baby. Super lambi nila. Eh, si Charlie naman, ang kulit. Grabe. Si Charlie kasi medyo straight yung buhok. Come here, baby. Come, Charlie. Si Charlie naman. Teka, come here, baby. Pero si Charlie kasi, I don't allow him to go in my bed. Yung mga girls, sometimes they can come in my bed. Pero si Charlie, hindi. Not allowed. Kasi si Charlie, he shreds eh. May buhok siya eh. He's a cavalier, King Charles Cavalier. Charlie, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come. Oh, let me show you your face. Charlie's is bigger. He's fat. He needs to, I need to diet him and, oh my gosh. Oh, yay. Dito si Charlie. Charlie, say hi, baby. Oh, dito si Charlie boy. He likes kissing. He's a kisser. And just took a bath yesterday. Okay, baby, go down. So there, guys. So yun. So, of course, excited ako. I hope everybody has been doing well. And I'm so happy with the outcome of our live vlog. So I just want to say a big thank you, guys, for, for all the people that have been supporting my live vlogs. And I'm excited to show you guys my traveling vlogs. But one of the things that I'm very happy with is that before I was not so sanay to do lives and a little bit conscious about my life. So what happened is the feedback from you guys from my lives during my traveling was really good and the numbers are really nice. So I'm very glad to announce that I'm gonna be doing a lot of more lives, and I promise to commit to my lives to you guys so that we can keep in constant touch. And aside from that, of course, mga vlogs natin. So, meron ko marami excited vlogs na schedule ko even before I left going to the US and Brazil. So, I'm excited to resume them because now I can, I don't have restrictions kasi na 4 months ako na surgery. So, my surgery was last April. So, during the time, I need to put on hold a lot of my plans for mga vlogs. I have like a self-defense vlog that we're planning. I have like a vlog with a very famous designer. I have, of course, mga food vlogs, workout vlogs. So may marami na exciting talaga vlogs para lalabas natin, na para resume natin yung mga plans natin. Of course, and iba-ibang guests na pwede pumasok sa sa vlogs natin na mga love nyo. So yon. But nevertheless, masashare din ako kahit dito sa Pinas yung mga live vlogs ko para mas lalo kami maging close. Diba, guys? So, thank you talaga sa love nyo. Thank you sa lahat. And yon,